Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this full look. I just wanted to do a quick intro for this video. I originally was just going to film it for Instagram, but then I was like, I'm loving the vibes that this look is giving me. I didn't really know where I was going. I just put a bunch of makeup out on the table. I would say that this palette right here was kind of the inspo for this look. Urban Decay actually came out with this beach palette, and I just thought it was really beautiful. The blues inspired me. I think it's a nice transitional look into the summer months. Just wanted to do something very aquatic, something blue, and this is what I came up with. I hope that you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for all the love and support that you show me. I feel like I say that all the time, but I just want to remind you guys how much it means to me. So yes, without further ado, let's jump into this video. So let's get into this matte skin routine, especially for my oily girls. If you find yourself getting very oily throughout the day, the main thing is locking down a really good mattifying primer. I'm using the one by Makeup Forever and just applying that all over my face, especially in my T-zone area. The foundation I'm using today is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I actually used to love this foundation, but I'm revisiting it now because I heard that they reformulated it. Before, it used to oxidize on me real crazy, girl. I used to be casket ready, but now I don't have that issue. It looks really nice on the skin, and you can also go over top of that on any areas that you need a little bit more coverage. It still feels really light on the skin, and it photographs beautifully, which is why I love this product, and I used to try to make it work. My Kopari lip balm, which is an essential in my life. You guys know that I struggle with hella dry lips. Grabbing my Mercier concealer and one of my favorites, which is the Clinique Chubby in the Nude stick. I'm just carving out any areas I want to add some depth to. So along the hairline, along the nose, and on my chin area. And then I'm going in with that concealer. This is my first time using it. It feels really nice on the skin. It's not heavy, and it still gives you a beautiful coverage. You guys know how to highlight and contour for the most part, or at least how I do it. You don't have to draw all these funky lines. I just, it's more so for the video. Grabbing a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend out that concealer first, and then grabbing that same Smashbox foundation brush, and I'm blending out those contour lines into my foundation. Taking my Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to set the entire center of my face wherever I applied concealer, and grabbing the Urban Decay, this is their bronzer from their Beach collection, carving out the sides of my nose just a little bit and also warming up my face. Taking this palette by the Balm, I'm just adding a little bit of blush. I love blush. I feel like it's a super underrated product, but it's one of my favorites. So the eyes, my favorite part. So I'm grabbing two palettes. This is the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and I'm grabbing the shade Candy, and then going into Escape. The product I'm applying now is the eye primer, and then I'm going into those two shades that I told you. This is just going to add some depth to the look. Even though I use a ton of products for this eye, I think a really nice base helps make it be as pretty as possible. Now I'm grabbing the shade Plunge and Double Dip, and then using a clean blending brush just to diffuse that product. Going into that same Urban Decay palette, I'm grabbing Daybreak, and I'm just bringing that color up just a little bit just because I have slightly hooded eyes and I want more of that product to show. Grabbing Gnarly Eyelights, this one is by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to start carving out my lid. So I do play around with a few different finishes and textures, so this is the first product that I'm using. And then I'm going to grab the Slaynali. This is by Artist Couture, and I'm just applying that to the first half of my eyelid. That's just going to give it some duochromeness, just to make it look a little bit more yellow. Going into that Weekend Festival palette, I'm just grabbing this really intense aqua shade and applying that to the outer portion of the eye. Next, I'm taking Amour by VioletVoss and applying that to the first half of the lid, which is just going to complete the look for me. This yellow shade is what's going to make my tear duct pop. This is Euphoria, and then grabbing that same glitter that I used on the lid right over top. Taking my Prosecco Pop highlighter, I'm just applying that to my cheekbones and a little bit over the brow and the nose area. The reason why I apply Fix Plus first is because my face is so matte and I just want to add a little bit of glow to that. taking these Doha lashes by Lily Lashes. I'm just going to quickly pop those on. So I use 2 lip products. I'm using Driver by Maybelline, and I'm using the Goldmine gloss. This one is by Urban Decay, and I think that this lip combo is just so pretty. You can use just one or the other product, but I think the combination of the 2 is really nice. And this is the full look, guys. Yes, I love the way this came out. I think that this just really bold eye and nude lip, which has kind of been my vibe for the last few months. I feel like I've been keeping my lips pretty simple and neutral, and I've been focusing a lot on the eyes, popping out that waterline, just playing around with a lot more textures and different finishes. So I love the way this came out. Please let me know how you feel. If there's anything that you want to see on my channel, let me know below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.